What is up, guys? Wolfpack 265 here. This is part 2 of our Jurassic World Lego set. You see here, there is how much we built of it. Now we're going to build more. So, camera guy, pause the video. And the set is built. It looks awesome. It's got the net launcher thing and the person driving it. And the pterodactyl is probably the coolest part. But let's test out the net launcher. Move on. Let's test out the net launcher to see how good it is. I haven't tested it out myself, so let's see how good it is.
Ow, my eye! Just kidding.
It doesn't go that far, but it's still fun. So you can like put the pterodactyl right here. Let's see. Yeah, if you try enough, it might actually get in place. And oh wow. That is hard. Well, yeah, the Lego set's built. It's really cool. I love it. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. And bye.